I got nothing.
I screwed him up.
All right, before we start real quick, we want to talk about merch because we have merch on the website finally. So we'll put the website down here off camberindustries.com.
Here?
Right, yep,
There?
right there. Yep. No, nope.
There.
No, not that one. Anyway, we got these hats. These are the only hats available right now. We call it the baseball logo hat. I love this hat. I don't know why, I just freaking love it.
Because you're trying to sell it.
Well, shirts, hoodies, all this stuff. This one is pretty cool. Black logo on dark charcoal. Dark charcoal is what this shirt is.
Chokel.
I don't know why.
What's on the back?
Just the car logo on top.
Look at that.
Yeah. Anyway, check it out.
What else do we have?
That's it right now.
Just a shirt and a hat?
I said hoodies.
Okay.
And we have a windbreaker that's pretty cool.
Yeah. It's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good one.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Done. I put it in the middle of the road so he'd drive over it.
At least he didn't hit it.
He didn't hit it. Yeah. But he did drive
That was
over
awesome.
Let's see if we can get him to drive over it this time.
Okay.
Over 2.
Yeah.
What's a hug?
I don't know.
I don't know what other hand gestures I need to do.
I don't know. You tried 2 so far, so.
What do they say? Third time's a charm? Third time's a charm, Bruce? Okay. No doubt.
Got enough dust now all of a sudden.
We're good. Whew. Out of Sand Hollow, it's what? Almost 100.
I was going to say it's hot. I don't know if you're looking at the time or the temp, but it's hot.
So, yeah. For all you guys that have been lately about, oh, we don't have any off-camber videos to watch. It's hot. It's hot here. You wouldn't be out here. I'm not out here.
Very true.
So deal with it for a little bit. We'll be back. Coming soon.
Yeah.
So we're out here with Viper. They brought their brand new, what is that thing called? Xpedition?
Polaris Expedition.
Polaris Expedition, right? We've heard good things about it. Rick said he loves it so far,
Yeah,
which
it's cool.
It
It
has
has
way
cool AC
surprisingly.
too.
Bruce has been riding around it. They've been out here in 106 degrees,
Coming-
air conditioned rolling.
Coming from Rick, that's saying a lot.
Yeah, it is because he's amazingly smooth ride.
You get the gamut
Yeah.
from Rick.
Very
He wants
capable
to,
machine
like at the
for
beginning,
how
he
much it
hates everything, and then he's like, it's actually pretty damn good. I kind of like it now. So it's insulated. We'll do a quick walk around. We'll show you guys some features on it and stuff. But we heard really good things about it. They came down. They had it wrapped up at Union Graphics. So shout out to them.
Yeah, we'll do some B-roll over to that. They did a really good job on it.
It came down. He literally designed it and did it in 3 days.
Awesome.
So while I was here on vacation.
Yeah.
So,
Awesome. Yeah, thanks to
shout
those
out
guys.
Corbin.
They always do a good job, that's for sure.
Really
Yep.
do.
So I
So
think we have another car that's up there right now, getting the
we
red
might
treatment. So
we might have
We
somebody
actually-
over
we
there
saw-
getting something done.
yeah.
Yeah.
What else? Oh, just learned that tying into kind of the Xpedition thing, Mad Moose is gonna have. They have 1, I think now, maybe 2.
Oh, to rent.
They're gonna have 4 to rent. So
Yeah.
So also, one of the reasons he's got this is because he is going to be building parts for it. So those of you guys that are out there that do have these or are going to buy one of these things, make sure we'll get with Rick and he'll let us know when he's going to push some of that stuff out.
Yeah. Well, let's go ride this thing. We're gonna head up West Rim because it's a little bumpy, and prove how smooth this thing really is. So
That'll be the test for it.
yeah, for sure. Rick just started the car and I was like, oh my gosh. He's like, what? The AC, it's so hot. Hop into this thing and we got the AC. Those suckers are back there.
It's probably 100 degrees.
And back there, slumming it in an open
This says it's
car.
103 out. I don't think it's quite that.
No, but it is
It's
warm.
probably 99 to 100.
Yeah. All right, let's do it. see Ryan's back there trying to get the drone up, messing around, picking around at 100-degree heat. Me and Rick just hanging out. 103. Yep, 103. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. We're just hanging out, nice and cool, comfortable, in a tempered cab here. So whatever, we can wait all day. You got anything?
Break time. Yeah.
Break time.
Taking a
Yeah.
break.
Okay. We just took some awesome drone footage. That's for
One
sure.
of the other cool features about this thing, and you were just saying you miss on the General,
I do.
and that we were looking forward to in the speed car if it ever, makes its appearance.
Yep.
Is the tailgate, right? I mean, you guys set all of our drone stuff down on here, kind of sit on it, lean
Just a
against
little
it.
workbench, whatever, little seat.
If you know me, I'm BSing more than I'm riding, so
Right.
it's kind of a nice spot to lean up against. Makes it kind of nice.
Yeah. Despite what you see in our videos, we BS even more than that when we're actually out there.
Oh yeah, it's like a 10-to-1 ratio what you guys see to what actually happens.
For sure.
Especially if we're egged on by other talkers.
Yeah. Yeah.
So.
You get Ryan together with Bruce.
Yeah.
We don't ever quit. It's a problem.
Dude, if it wasn't for you two, we'd still be down there at the bathrooms
Yeah.
chopping it up.
Absolutely.
So here, give me that thing.
Okay.
Let's talk about this because you've ridden it, I haven't.
That's true.
Me and Bruce are sweating our balls off
Yeah.
Yeah,
in
you
the
guys can write down
non-AC
or
car.
something.
We're having meltdown.
So, what first impressions on West Rim? It's usually pretty choppy.
Should we talk suspension first? No. I'm going to talk AC first because
Do
it's
whatever you
been
want.
amazing today.
Yeah, you're not even sweating.
No,
You can
I
tell
am
the two
now.
guys that are riding around in the air
They don't
conditioner
have
both
any
have
sweat
black
marks.
and they have black t-shirts on.
Exactly. AC heat is awesome, especially where these guys are in Vernal. It's going to be amazing for them.
Yeah,
it
in
would be
wintertime.
amazing going to Grand Canyon
Heck yeah.
in this thing. Oh, it'd be so nice.
Especially with the tent.
Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely. Camp out at the rim
Yeah.
right there. That'd be super cool. So that, I mean, awesome. The sound system, pretty impressive for stock. It's
Good.
a JBL. JBL.
Is it good like the one in there?
I don't think quite that good. No, it's not quite
It's a
like SSB.
stock radio, right? Though you're not
But it's
buying something.
for a UTV stereo,
Good.
pretty good. And then suspension, I don't know. It's funny. I almost feel bad because I keep saying, man, this is like surprising. I don't know why I'm surprised, but it is. It's better than what you would think, hands down.
So
It's weirdly smooth.
better than stock General.
Better than stock General.
Okay.
I mean, West Rim is bumpy, right? So it's not like it's getting rid of all those bumps.
Right.
It is bumpy,
Right.
but it is about as smooth as a stock machine as I've
We
felt,
followed you guys
especially
up-
for something like this.
We followed you guys up the trail and that thing looked composed the whole way up.
Yeah.
And your full sway bars, your full
Yeah.
everything, right? I mean, it's
100%
stock machine, aside from a little extra
Yeah.
vinyl on the sides.
Yeah.
I think you stick some 32s on there. It'll roll over some things better, take a few of those
Yeah.
bumps even more so,
Yeah.
and it's going to be that much better.
Okay.
So, yeah. And then when and if, probably more when, HCR, somebody comes out with long travel.
Hey, look at that. Mad Moose Reynolds. What do you know? Talk about perfect timing.
Right? Enter off camber.
Off Camber code
10%
at checkout. Save yourself 10% and have fun like these guys are. Look at that.
Yeah. Anyway, where was I at?
That was inadvertent advertising. That wasn't even planned.
Nope, that was perfect. Oh, you do some long travel when somebody finally comes out with that? Like, this could be a super fun machine.
Yeah.
Super fun trail machine. It's going to be great.
Here.
Yeah.
So let's do. I mean, I don't know if you
Yeah.
did any inside.
I have not done any
Rick's got his
inside yet.
beverage dispenser here. He's playing the golf cart lady
Yeah, exactly.
on the trail, but like, whoops. Sorry, Rick.
I got you.
Comfortable bench seat back here from the stock. It's got some speakers up here in the top. Again, fully
That should fit 3 people.
Done
pretty
headliner.
comfortably,
Yeah.
Especially if you have kids. Like, that's going to be
Yes.
very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Yeah.
Folds down too, so it leaves it
Oh, it comes flat.
Oh, does it?
shoot.
Yeah.
JBL sound system like we talked about. Power windows.
Power windows.
This is crazy. Heat and air conditioning. I mean, pretty much anything. Tune suspension, winch.
I think
And again, this is the North Star, right? It's
North Star.
the North
Yeah.
Star. It's the top one
that's the top one.
with the everything enclosed. And Rick did buy the tent, which I
Yes.
would like to see. I think that would be super cool.
And it has a cover on it too, so it's
Yeah.
all just looks like a square box up there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
that's
then
right.
you
You
fold
can
it out.
fold it
It's,
in like 8 minutes.
You look like every Subaru driver.
yes. Yeah. That's true.
If I start questioning
It's all right. At least you're comfortable.
your right?
Yeah.
You and your gonna sleep comfortable in that tent.
I don't know if I have to cut that.
That's why it's not on when I come down to see you guys.
I hope you got that.
He's afraid to attract us all.
That's right.
Oh shoot! But yeah, it's a really good looking machine. It's like a cross between a General and a Ranger
Kind of that way.
with a fully enclosed
Yeah,
cab.
this one comes with a winch
Yeah.
right on the front. That's nice.
Well, and when Ryan sits in it, he's gonna feel like a little boy in there
It looks.
because the
You
headroom.
could just see your heads
yes,
above the
your
doors.
heads
Oh,
are just
really?
barely
Yeah.
above the door.
There's
Yeah.
plenty of room in
And
there.
when I got in it, I was like, I can't believe this because I'm almost 6'4",
We're planning.
and I'm all back, and I have tons of headroom.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we could just see the tops. Like it's like shoulders up
Yeah.
from being in there. So
Look like little kids in there driving.
yeah. And what's this roof rack on here? Rhino rack.
Yeah. That's just, is that an option? That's an option, right? That doesn't come with
It's
it.
an option. That is an option.
Is it a Polaris option?
It's a Polaris,
Polaris option.
Okay.
And yeah, and then you put the tent
rack and
on that.
Right.
And what? There's 4 bolts. you
4
said?
bolts that hold the whole
And
thing.
there's tons of storage that I didn't get. I mean, there's a lot of options. They've got these rails here, and you can mount all kinds of rails in here to hold things down.
Okay.
Under the seats, you can add them. Up on the racks, you can add them.
Nice.
The 3-man tank.
Super nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited for it. It looks composed. It looks good out there.
Yeah, it's comfortable.
It's a really nice looking machine. All right.
All right, dude. What'd you think?
I was blown away by that.
You guys were going pretty good through those little whoops there.
You're hitting 40 on fence line.
Yeah.
In that thing.
Yeah.
And I was like waiting for the sand wave to come up over the dash, right? Like, you know, we all know that feeling, right? When you
Oh yeah.
oh shit, your suspension bottom's out and a
Right.
wave of sand hits you in the face. Never came.
Yeah.
Crazy. Air conditioning, A+.
Right.
I-
It's not quite 6, still hotter than crap, and it's so nice
Dude,
driving
I was
in that
looking
thing.
for a reason to not like it, but I can't.
I know, it's weird. And I almost feel bad because I feel like I'm looking for a reason not like it either, and there's no
There's
reason
no
for
reason
that.
to not like it. Other
Yeah.
Than, so, at the end of the day, I mean, I'm completely stinking impressed with that stupid thing.
I know.
And
I know.
I kept waiting for something to like go, ha, there it is.
Yeah.
But I didn't have it.
Yeah. So, again, thanks Viper Machine
100%. Thanks for
for riding with us. As always, we've talked about Viper ad nausea, and there's a good reason for it because their stuff is awesome.
Yeah.
And even better people.
Stay tuned for a lot of products coming out for this thing.
Yeah.
Check out all their stuff for the KRX and Pro R and
Yep.
I mean, everybody knows about their shifters. It's not a secret anymore.
Nope.
So
Yep. So shout out to them. Shout out Union on doing a awesome job on the wrap. Shout out All Terrain Motorsports. That's where they got this machine too. Those guys are pretty awesome. They're always putting together some super cool builds and stuff out there as well.
check
So
their stuff out.
check
for
their
some-
stuff out.
They're running some off camber cages. They got some pretty sweet KRX and Polaris builds out there.
Yep. Really
So-
good guys out there too. So
Check them out. So other than that, again, check out the merch on the website and
yep.
hit us up, and we'll see you guys around the event season come
Yeah.
October next month.
Trail Hero coming up. Takeover coming up.
All right, guys.
SEMA coming up.
Don't be rude. Subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell your granny. We're back.